Are you bringing home a Morkie? This is what you should know. Morkies are a mix of a Maltese and a Yorkshire Terrier. Morkies are tiny, but they have big personality. They bond fast and love being close, and they're the kind of pup that wants to be included in everything that you do. They usually do best with simple routines, potty breaks, meals, playtime, and rest time. And because they're smart, short, positive training sessions go a long way. Just don't skip coat care. Brushing and regular grooming keeps them comfortable and tangle-free. If you want a small best friend that's cuddly and bold, you're going to love a Morkie.